The OPPO A76. Come on guys, let's check it out. What's up guys, it's Matthew again. In this video, I bring you the OPPO A76. This phone was released this year, February 2022, in black and blue colors. It has a plastic rear and frame material. It comes with Android 11 OS, that's Android 11 operating system. You should all know that. For the memory and storage aspect, it has a 4GB RAM to a storage space of 128GB and a 6GB RAM to a storage space of 128GB. So it comes in two versions, so you can choose the one you want. That's if you like high memory or low memory, so you can choose the one you like. Lest I forget, it supports memory card up to 1TB, so there's enough space for you to store whatever you want to store for your storage needs, creativity needs, and any other thing. So for the memory and storage aspect, I'm going to rate this side a 3-star. Moving on, we'll check out the battery of the A76. It has a non-replaceable LiPo battery with the capacity of 5000 mAh and a charging power of 33 watts. So you see, the battery is also strong, it's good. For the battery, I'm rating it a 3-star. In the display, it has an IPS LCD display technology, a 19Hz refresh rate, a 20:9 aspect ratio, a 6.56 screen size, and a 720 by 1612 screen resolution. So for this, I'm going to rate it 3 stars. The OPPO A76 has not so good camera. It has a 13MP main lens and a 2MP depth lens, a 8MP selfie camera. So I don't see anything good in that. It might be good for you, but for me, it is not good. The A76 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset plus a 6nm lithography process. It supports 2 nano SIM cards. That is, it has space for 2 slots of SIM cards, and the size allowed are 2. So that's what I mean by 2 nano SIM cards. It supports 2G down to 4G Lite. It has headphone audio jack. It does not have FM radio. So this is it guys for the OPPO A76. This phone didn't really impress me, but anyways, who knows, maybe they might bring a newer version of it or an upgraded version. So I will leave a link in the description for more information on the OPPO A76. Guys, I'll see you on the other side. Good profiterole.